Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to design in a simple logo. Let's get started. Let's open Inkscape, go to File, open Document Properties. Let's bring this menu here and let's set the display units to pixels and undo the show page border. Let's close this. Go to View and let's select Custom. Go to View and zoom in at 1 to 1. Now let's enable snapping. We need to enable snapping, intersection snapping, and cups and nodes snapping. We need all of them selected. Let's select circles and ellipses tool. Let's hold Shift and Control to draw a big circle like this, and let's press on X to take out the fill. Hold Shift and click on black to give it outline. So as we see, the outline is too thick, and let's decrease it to 1. Let the width be 1. Yeah, that looks perfect. Let's click on this and go to path. I'm sorry. Click on the circle and right click and duplicate it. Now select the circle and control and drag it towards the right, about that much. And now let's bring the guidelines towards the horizontal and vertical, so it meets at the intersection. Now select the circle and Control D to duplicate it, and now hold Control and bring it towards left. Now drag it above holding Control, so it is exactly at the intersection of the original two circles. Now select the two original circles and do Control D, duplicate them, and make sure it touches the horizontal line. Now select the rectangles and squares tool, draw on the horizontal guide. Now duplicate it by Control D and bring it at the intersection of these two circles. Exactly there. That's right. Now select all the shapes, go to Path and Combine. Now select the rectangles and ellipses tool, draw a rectangle over everything you have drawn, and let's give it a color. I'm giving it red, you can give it any color you want. Now select the rectangle, let's lower it to the last layer. So now you can see the shapes you have drawn. Now select select everything including the rectangle. Now go to Path and Division. So this is it, deselect everything. Now select the rectangle and just press delete on the keyboard. Now these are all individual pieces. You can just select and delete them. We need to get the required design. We just removing the unwanted pieces. As we see here, they are all individually divided. We can just undo it, and let's go on deleting the unwanted pieces. Just click on the shape you need to delete and press delete on the keyboard. The same. Oh, actually we need that. Just undo it. smaller one too. Repeat the same. Now we have the outer shape. Let's remove this too. Now we have the outer shape. We need to remove some pieces. We can do it by holding shift and selecting each shape we need to delete, so we can delete it all at once. Now press delete on the keyboard. So that's how it is. Now select everything. Just hold shift and X to remove the outline. And now select everything and just go to path and union, or you can just do it by control plus plus. Deselect everything. Let's give it a color, maybe a blue. Now we don't need the guidelines anymore, so we go to view and deselect the guides. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.